Okay, everybody, there's a crab. We are back out at Mobu Street, Fort Morgan. Yesterday we came out here. I didn't bring the cameras, but we did pretty good. I caught some ladyfish, so the bait was running again, and they were chasing them. The moon is up there. The sun's about to come up over there. It's pretty awesome. Real nice. Let's see what the conditions look like this morning. They're still a little bit rough yesterday, but they weren't that bad. So I'm thinking they shouldn't be too terrible this morning either, if not better. Always a calm spot right around here. I think we stayed here yesterday. I think it's a calm spot there again. Looks like it. Sweet. Okay, first cast of the morning. We're doing a big spoon. It got me 3 ladyfish yesterday and a bunch of bites. So we're hoping that we can repeat yesterday. Maybe get blue. I really want another nice blue. By the way, we ate that blue. It was real good. It wasn't that bad. And I just saw some big blow-ups right down here. They're jumping. Oh, they're right here. Really? I don't want to tie on to anything else. Oh, that's a terrible cast. Oh, got one. A terrible cast gets me a big fish. Good lady. That was, I casted like a foot in front of me, and it gets a Siska. Sweet! These things are crazy. In case you don't know. They just go bonkers. This is a ladyfish. They do have teeth. She barely got hooked too. But good enough for us. Sweet! Awesome. Fish number 1 is done. I think they're pretty bad right now. They're about everywhere. Probably after the storm. Oh, there's Ghost. She's jumping. She's jumping. We got one. We got one. This is a hard fighter too. Oh, let the wave help. Oh, I love their pull. I love how hard. Oh, that's a big one. Woo! This one's huge. This one's giant. No, it's fine.
Good job, Noah.
Thanks. That's another ladyfish. Whee! Oh, got one. Got one. Woo! Got one. Oh, these things fight so hard. They're really so fun. They jump, they pull. Oh, he broke me off, did he? I think he broke me off. Broke me off. Yep. Broke me off. Look at that. Hey. Wow. That just shows you the power. Okay, we're using this now. It's another little minnow spoon thing. Okay. It's very heavy. They're all over it. I'm trying to get them. I've got something. I've got something. I've got something. Oh, it's a blue. It's a bluefish. Dang. It was all over it. I think there's a few of them trying to get to it first. Okay, we got a big fish. It's pulling drag. It's pulling drag. It's a big one. I'm not sure this is lady. It's not jumping, and it's just pulling drag. Don't come unpinned. Just keep coming. It's coming straight towards me. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, it's a blue. It's a big blue. Oh, it's pulling hard drag. Oh, it's pulling drag. Come on. It's a big one. It's another giant bluefish. He just broke me off.
Okay.
Look at. Awesome.
Good job.
This thing's huge. It was pulling drag like something awesome.
Here, let me get some pictures again. Let's hurry, because they're running. Whoa.
This one's huge. It's real small, whatever it is. It's teeny. It's a baby blue. It's a baby blue. No, that's like a hardtail. That's a hardtail. That ain't no blue, I don't think. That's like a hardtail. Hey everybody, we are walking out. That was a good day. We both caught one blue, and then I caught two ladyfish and a hardtail. Turned out pretty nice. Yeah, we caught some good fish, so I don't know what we're gonna do next, but yep.
Breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast is next.
It's 7, it's getting late.
Yeah. I've only been out here for over an hour and a half now.